In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit responses in Google Forms. Whether you're running a survey, collecting RSVP details, or simply managing a form for class feedback, knowing how to edit responses can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to ensure you can efficiently manage and update your Google Forms responses. First, open your web browser and head over to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, find and open the specific form for which you want to edit the responses. It's important to be logged into the Google account associated with this form, as you will need the necessary permissions to make these modifications. Once you have the form open, navigate to the Responses section, which you'll find at the top of the form page. This section is invaluable as it houses all the data submitted through your form. Within this section, you'll see a summary of all responses, including graphs and charts that can give you a quick overview. To dive deeper, click on the individual tab within the Responses section. This will provide you with a detailed look at each single response submitted. Use the left and right arrows to scroll through these responses one by one. Easy peasy. If there's a particular response you wish to edit, locate it using the aforementioned arrows. Once you've found the response, it's important to note that you may not directly edit it within Google Forms. To make changes, consider downloading the responses into a Google Sheet by clicking on the green Sheets icon. This will export all your form responses to a Google Sheet, where you can easily make necessary edits. Remember, Google Forms is primarily a data collection tool, so for any edits or modifications, using Google Sheets is the way to go. Now, if you're looking to make edits to your form itself, maybe you want to change a question or update the wording, navigate back to the Questions section of your form. From here, you can make any necessary adjustments to the content or structure of your form. Just remember that changes to the form could impact future responses, so it's always good to double-check any significant modifications. As you make these changes, don't forget to save your work. Google Forms automatically saves changes as you make them, but if you're working in a Google Sheet, be sure to double-check that your edits are saved by keeping an eye on the last edit was status at the top of the document. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently edit responses in Google Forms. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and having the ability to manage and tweak your data will surely empower you to make the most out of your forms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy form editing!